Hey guys, today I am in a mystery box collab with two lovely ladies. The first is the makeup nurse, who everyone knows as Jamie. She uploads makeup videos daily, and she also does subscription boxes and more. And then there's also Bootsy on the Beat, who everyone knows as Julie. And on her channel, she does a lot of fun things, a lot of games with her husband, Jamil. And she also does unboxings and reviews and more as well. Now for my channel, my name is Joan, and I do beauty subscription unboxings, plus reviews and whatever else comes along the way, including different types of collabs. Now for this collab, we each ordered a Beauty Creations mystery box. We've never had this box before, so honestly, we don't know if we're going to get identical items in our boxes. If the items are not identical, go ahead and tell us which one you think is the best mystery box. And as usual, we're having giveaways, and each of us are having a secret word. So if you give me my secret word, you get one entry into the giveaway. If you give me the other lady's secret words, you're going to get additional entries. So 3 secret words, you're going to get 3 entries into my giveaway. I'm going to put all the names in a bucket, stir it around, and pull it out, and you'll have 3 entries. So make sure you go ahead and watch their videos as well. And I'll put all the rules below for the giveaway in the description. All right, so let's see what's in my mystery box. Now, this is called Beauty Creations, and it says it was on sale for $25, so with shipping and everything it was $37, and it's supposed to be 5 full-size items. Okay, so the first item looks like Creations Bare Naked makeup palette, and it has, it looks like 9 shades in the buff, fuzzy handcuffs, Voulas Vos, satin sheets, sugar walls, garter belt, birthday suit, lap de dance, and French Ickler, it looks like it says. Boy, those were really small. But very pretty. It looks like a lot of shimmer in that palette, so. All right. Okay, so the next is the Crema Shop Sheet Mask. Be Magical Skin. It's an animated rainbow unicorn face mask. How cute. Super cute. Keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. No rinsing necessary. I think these are around $3 or $4 when you order the Creme Shop. Then there's another one, and this one is Clear Up Skin, and it's an animated unicorn face. Same thing, keep on for 15 to 20 minutes. And so yeah, got 2 of those in a face palette so far. All right, and this is, would that be lip gloss, tinted lip gloss. It's called Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright. The colors are Attention Seeker and Glow Up. So yeah, you know what? I'm not going to open that up. That looks like that might be a little orange. I mean, look how sparkly that one is there. So got to think about what I'm going to do with that one. All right, last but not least, look at that makeup brush set. Beauty Creations. Wow. And this says it has 15, does it? Wow. It has a powder brush, angled contour brush, pointed tapered brush, foundation brush, fan highlight brush, oval shader brush, small blender brush, concealer brush, large blender brush, pointed smudger brush, angled brow brush, lip brush, tapered blending brush, pointer liner brush, and a flat smudger brush. Wow. All right, so I'm going to take this out and take a quick look at this. I like the case. This is a case that's pretty cool too, a secret case. 15 brushes is a pretty good deal. I don't know about $37 though for this. But the theme seems to be orange. There was a lot of orange in there. But anyway, so that was my mystery box. And I hope you get the chance to watch Jamie's channel and to also watch Julie's channel. Get their mystery words, come back to my channel and put my mystery word down with their mystery words and get 3 entries into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started on what's actually in my giveaway. All right, so the first item in my giveaway is the Sour Ya Doin' Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. Has 9 shades, and you can see there's some pinks, lavenders, red, a little bit of yellow, a bronzy shimmer. So yeah, really pretty palette. Okay, and then the next is the, I think it's EB, it says Elena Badro. It's 3 eyeshadow brushes and then the little carrying case that comes with it. And it looks like the brushes are what is that one right there? So that one is the smudging, and then they have the finer one, and then the larger one, which can be used for, you know, whatever, highlighting or whatever. And this is a nice case. I remember getting it, I think, BoxyCharm or somewhere where it was, you know, $80, $6, something really crazy. So they should be really nice brushes. All right, so this is the Shine Clear Lip Gloss. And honestly, I can't even see what it says on the back for Makeup Depot. It might say. So got that one. All right, so the next one is Revlon in the shade of Berry Burst, and it's a balm called Revlon Kiss. And, you know, I remember this is kind of like if you've ever tried those Avon where it's really light. It doesn't really color your lips too much. I think that this is like that. And it has SPF 20 in it. So, yeah. All right. Okay, so this one is made by the company Body and Earth. And it's a Shea Almond Hand Cream in 1 fluid ounce. And it's got something sticky on the back. And that's because there were a bunch of them in a package together. You know how they come sometimes like that. So, got that one. All right, and then this one is the Grown Alchemist Body Cream. I actually got 3 of these for $13 from FabFitFun, and that's why I have extras I've been giving away in my giveaways. It's 4 ounces, and it has mandarin rosemary leaf. Yeah, it smells really nice. Nice body cream. All right, and the last but not least is the Brightening Vitamin C Mask. I've gotten this so many times and never tried it. I can't believe I'm not trying it again. It has that Cockadoo plum in it, and it's a mask. It has papaya enzyme to dissolve dead skin, so it sounds really nice. So that's the last one. All right, so those are all of my items that are in the giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and put links below and maybe pin them and also put them in the description so you can have easy access to the other girls' channels. Because remember, you do need to be subscribed to all 3 channels. And if you want 3 entries, you want to use all 3 ladies' secret words in a sentence below. So if you just want to get 1 entry and just mine, then you use the 1 secret word in a sentence below. Please use it in a sentence below. And thanks so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in my next video.